Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get the best discounts during Steam Black Friday 2025 so you don't miss any deals. The first thing you should do is add every game you're interested in to your Steam wish list. This is important because Steam will automatically notify you the moment any of those games go on sale. That way, you won't have to search through thousands of titles. Steam tells you instantly when the price drops. Next, when Black Friday starts, open Steam and check the special offer section. Steam always highlights the biggest discounts there, and you can scroll through categories to find deals on games, DLCs, and bundles. You should also visit the discounts and events page because some developers run their own promotions during the sale, and those can be even better than the main event. Another smart move is checking trusted third-party retailers. Stores like Green Man Gaming, Fanatical, and Humble Bundle often match Steam's prices or sometimes offer lower prices with extra coupons. These sites are official Steam key resellers, so the keys activate safely on your Steam account. Before Black Friday arrives, it helps to plan ahead. Spend a few minutes researching regular prices for the games you want. This makes it easier to recognize a real discount instead of falling for fake markdowns. You'll know exactly which deals are worth it, and you won't waste time trying to compare prices during the sale rush. And finally, decide your budget and your game list in advance. Steam's Black Friday discounts only last a short time, so having a plan keeps you from missing out on big deals while trying to decide. That's how you make the most out of Steam Black Friday 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.